come to you pag sila ay burnout, pag hirap sila makatulog? Is that it?
Yes. So usually I deal with people who are stressed and who need their energies to be recharged or revitalized, and teach them also how they can, shall we say, get more energy
You can get energy from
different sources. Food is a good source of energy. There are also other natural sources of energy that are also free that we don't harness. Napaganyan ka.
Wow,
Okay.
napaganon ako.
Number 1, sun. The sun has a healing energy, especially in the morning. Pero what do? We hide from the sun. Number 2,
Okay.
earth energy. But most of us are so disconnected from the earth.
Paano ba tayo makakakonekta sa Earth?
Magyapak.
Like outside?
Yeah. Or
Oo.
sa labas ng bahay mo, kung may garden ka.
Okay.
Tumapa ka sa lupa. Kasi tayo ngayon, at least 3rd floor lang to.
Oo.
But a lot of people work high-rise. Live in a condo, high-rise. We feel it pag nagbakasyon tayo, where do we go? We go to nature. Pupunta tayo sa bundok, mag-hike, magbi-beach. Na-feel natin lumalakas tayo di ba?
Recharge.
Correct. Because of that, nagko-connect tayo sa earth.
Ask Dina.